G'day, today I'm going to show you how to remove the heating control unit for a BMW X3, and this is going to be similar for most of the sort of modern day BMWs. This is around 2010, so you'll see it has a series of buttons and a LED display. So I've already taken out the screws at the back, and they are here. There's 7 T6s, so you'll need a micro torque set to get those out. And basically the screws, when they're in there, they're self-evident. You will see them, they come out fairly easily. I would advise doing it manually, because if you try and use an electric screwdriver, you might cause some damage to the plastic. But essentially, once those torque screws are out, you can just simply lift this unit from the plastic surround, and this is what you're going to see. It's the complete unit. A lot of parts dismantlers sell this thing, this total thing complete, which is fine, but I'm just shooting this video on a couple of grounds really. The first, in case you get a part that you have to replace that is only this unit, and secondly, if you need to remove this unit to replace these buttons, because what is actually quite common in this unit is that these buttons get worn or they get broken, and sometimes it's nice, people just want to replace them. Okay, so I hope you found that useful, and that's how you separate the heating unit. That's the part number for this particular model, the heating unit from the plastic surround and the buttons.